Hi, I'm Kendra. I'm a nurse with Renew Aesthetics, and we're talking about IPL. When you hit your 20s, late 20s, early 30s, 40s, it's all about collagen stimulation. It's all about kind of maintaining what you have and preventing new fine lines and wrinkles. And doing a procedure like an IPL is awesome for that. There's no downtime with it. You actually come in, we do the treatment, you have maybe a little bit of redness right afterward, but there's nothing that you have to avoid except for sun after getting an IPL done. It's actually something really easy to do. It's not a painful, you don't have to numb for it, so it's an easy procedure that anybody can do. So an IPL is an intense pulse light. It's not actually a laser, but it's a machine that works for redness, for browns, for stimulating collagen. It's great for any age. Anyone can do it. We don't like to do it on Fitzpatrick, which is the darker skin types 4 and 5. There's other options for those people that have redness and browns, but it's great for any other skin type. You can combine it with a multitude of treatments. You can actually come in and do IPL with a facial. You can do IPL with microneedling afterward. You'll be obviously more red after doing microneedling, but it's something that we would start with the IPL because it's not invasive and then follow up with other treatments. So if you wanted to do a full face IPL and then do Botox, you can do filler. Doing those right after the treatment is great. So absolutely the best time of year would be fall and winter. And the reason is you don't want to have a lot of sun exposure after the IPL. You want your skin to be almost at a baseline state before treating, mainly because you're a little bit more sensitive after doing the treatment and more prone to brown. So doing a series of those during the fall and winter, you'll be ready to have cleaned up skin ready for the spring and summer coming up. If you have further questions about IPL, head to our website and fill out our virtual consultation.